Your dash cam might be the best witness you'll ever have. And let me break down how dash cam video can actually make or break your case sometimes. In the last 5 to 10 years, we've seen a proliferation of dash cam videos that we've been able to obtain sometimes from our clients, sometimes from the opposing party or the at-fault party. And there's nothing better than video of the accident. Oftentimes we're dealing with situations where the car accident happens and there is a disputed red light situation. Our client says they were going through the intersection on a green light and says the defendant at-fault driver ran a red light and basically broadsided them. And then there becomes a dispute. And the other person says, no, I had the green light, and the other person had the red light. We've been lucky in the past number of years because more and more people are having dash cam videos, and we have been very successful in getting dash cam videos and helping prove our client's case where the defendant at-fault party vehemently denies that they ran a red light, and the dash cam video proves beyond a shadow of the doubt that they actually did. So if you have been in a car accident and you either have a dash cam video yourself or you think the other person actually had dash cam video, reach out to us. We can use that to help prove your case. If you have any other questions about your car accident case, please reach out to us at Hancock Injury Attorneys. We'll be happy to answer any other questions you might have.